Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about bananas, and I have some specific food and flavor combinations that are known to pair well with bananas. So if you're looking for some different ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Pair bananas with almond milk, nutmeg, and vanilla, or bananas with almonds and oatmeal, bananas with apple juice and cinnamon, bananas with apricots and yogurt, bananas with blueberries and yogurt, bananas with cashews and pineapple, bananas with chocolate and peanuts, bananas, cinnamon, and orange, bananas with citrus fruits in general and coconut, bananas with coconut, pineapple, and sesame seeds, bananas with dates and flax seeds, bananas with honey and peanut butter, bananas with maple syrup and oatmeal, bananas with oranges and papaya, bananas with peaches and raspberries, and bananas with pineapples and sesame seeds. I do hope this helps to give you some great new ideas. Bye for now.